I'll show the demonstration of this. So switch on the power. So we have developed the app for movement of this railway. I'll show how to pair the app. Select the password. Go to app. So this contains movement of forward, backward, and dock and undock. Dock and dock means so the co-pilot, loco pilot can do dispense this waste water wherever he want to dispense. So now we'll operate. Correct. Now it's connected. We'll operate now. I'll operate front, back, so you can hold for some time, it will move also. So this is the movement of railway. So now we'll operate dock and undock. We'll check up the water level and turn on the pump. So now this wet part, so pump is turned on. So once waste water collected here, and once it is full, again it will fill this one. After filling this, we have water pump. It will pump the water into final bin. So loco pilot will take care of this. So he'll pump it and it will say as a full. See here, once this is full, so it will say as a full. So this bin. So this bin means it will turn on the pump. This bin means it will say full. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Mifratech eLearning. Thanks a lot. This is the code we developed for waste management train. China.